Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my DIY squishies. So I'll come back to whenever I have all of them ready because I was in a hurry and I couldn't find them. So I will cut back to whenever I have them. Guys, so I've got them all. We'll do smallest to biggest because why not, guys? Okay, so first I have like this. It's a balloon DIY one. I put some tape on it. I suck the air out, by the way, with a needle. Don't ask me why I had a needle, because I made a DIY one, and it actually worked. So, was there a bird flying? No, there wasn't. Anyways, oh my god, no! Oh my god. Anyways, next is this one. It has my real name on it, so I'm gonna cover that because I do not want you all knowing my real name. Well, my friends know because they watch these videos. So it's a blue with my name on it, and then it has like ultra. I didn't have clear tape that time, so guys. Also, I'm wearing like these black like trousers and this cinnamon roll shirt. It was super cute, and I'm wearing sticky rolls. They're so cute. I'm gonna do a video of them. Yeah, definitely. But they're so cute. So cute. Anyways, okay, so my friend gave me this, so I wanted to have it. She was in a hurry, so there's like a few spots that are not taped. Anyways, so this is. His name is Purr. It's so cute. It's like so cute. It's kawaii. If you don't know what kawaii means cute. Very cute. And these are kawaii. And the last but not least, the gigantic one. It's like I was gonna give this to a friend on Tuesday, but I certainly said, I should put this in a video and then give it to her. So this is my other one. And then it says, squish me if y'all can see. And then there's a right button over here. Squeeze it, it's so cute. You squeeze it. Anyways, I'm going to hold them, put them in the background or something. And then I'll see y'all guys. Guys, I have got all of them. What do you think is your favorite? My DIY ones or this kawaii one from my friend? Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.